What is going on, guys? I think today is the perfect day to talk about, well, you've already seen the title. We're going to talk about the safest plays to make with this market and the market that we're in right now. It's kind of unpredictable. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So if you're one of my students, you guys already know this. I've kind of already moved into this phase of my... It is a strategy that's going to make you money whether the market goes up or down, of course. You guys know how you can make money going both ways. But how can you eliminate risk? Because right now there's a lot of risk in the market, right? I mean, you don't know if the market's really going to go up. There's a stimulus package saying it's going to go up, trying to help all these companies. People aren't going back to work yet, or 90% of the companies, I would say, aren't really putting people back to work. So, that's going to bring the market back down. The less money that's circulating, the worse the market does. So with that being said, what is the best play for you and how can you make money in this market? I think it's actually really, really simple, but most people don't know about it. And I'm just going to kind of go on ahead and put this out here. And I'm not going to exactly go into 100% detail of how you can do it and minimize so much risk. I do think that there is a ton of risk out there right now if you're doing naked calls, naked puts, or if you're just buying stocks or shorting stocks. There's a ton of risk right now. Me personally, I'm not even doing it. I've had a couple of positions. I even closed them out right before this video. It is Tuesday the 31st, 2:36 p.m. right now. You guys can even look at that and see. But yeah, so how am I going to eliminate risk? How everybody's like, well, if you're going to eliminate risk all the time, why wouldn't you do it anyway? Well, normally the probability, and there's a lot of math that goes into this, guys, I'm not going to lie. Normally the profitability and the probability are there for my strategy. Well, with this market going crazy and everything, it's not always there. So what do you do when your strategy's not there? Either you sit on your money, like I've said before, if you don't know where to invest your money, don't invest at all. And I think that's a great rule still. And I still have all my long-term stuff sitting in cash because I don't know what way we're going yet. I still think we could possibly go lower in the stock market. So with that being said, here's what we're doing. We're doing Strangles. A lot of you guys probably just went, don't know what that is. That's okay. Strangles. So what we're doing is we're buying a call and a put at different strike prices, basically allowing them to eliminate each other, and one will become more valuable than the other eventually. Now, I am buying within a month out, or sometimes over a month out now with these positions. Now, you can play these positions all you want all year round if you really want. I always have a couple of them running in the background, allowing yourself to make some money. Now, again, these aren't normally my big money percent makers. And you can make a lot of money doing this, guys. It's a very, very simple strategy, and I'll teach anybody that wants to learn how to do that. Absolutely. But what we're doing is we're buying them out of the money. So you have a call betting that the stock's going up. You have a put betting that the stock's going down. You're basically allowing them to cancel each other out. So you're saying, how do you make money if they're canceling each other out? What happens is when you make an investment with a call or a put, say they're both $100, and what happens is one of them goes to zero. So let's say this stock goes down because the market just, it tanks for some reason more than what it already has. So what happens is the call goes useless. It's gone, basically. What happens is that put not only went up to $100 and worth more in value, it also kept making money because now you're going further and further in the money now with this option, and it's allowing you to profit off of that. Again, guys, these aren't day trades. Most of these are going to take way longer than a day trade. It may take a week. I actually had one of my best friends. I actually walked both of them, two of them. They just now starting to learn how to trade. Brady, Jacob, if you guys are out there watching this, you guys know I made you guys over 130% in one night holding these. Again, not normal that these happen instantly overnight where you wake up and you're up over 100 and something percent. But it does happen. It's amazing when it happens. A lot of these times is actually what happens is if you wait the 2 or 3 weeks and allow one of these options to become way more valuable, is you end up making a lot more money. I mean, you're talking, I've had returns of 200 and 300%. I've even had one that was upwards of just over 400% in the past. Again, though, these aren't my main source of income. These aren't the ones that I do all the time. but I will put them in for a month out and make some extra money on them. So I hope that explains a lot. I hope that explains the basics of this and what I'm doing during this market when we don't really know what way we're going. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys all for watching, and I will make sure that I'm going to try to be uploading more videos here in the future. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys for watching again. Hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's going to help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video.